So, a bit of a demo of the various flight envelopes of the Timber XL about to come up. I'm going to move the flying over to the field to our left, just to have a bit more space, show you a bit of the up and down capabilities of it and some of the 3D capabilities of the Timber XL. I'm going to leave it mainly in the 4-servo wing, so the ailerons are going to work in conjunction with the flaps. As you can see, I've not left myself much room for takeoff before we get into the cloud field, so hopefully it should be enough. Let's have a look. Easy. Flaps away, straight into knife edge. Little bit of mixing, not much. It's superbly happy. This aeroplane weighs 17.5 pounds as it is. I don't expect production samples to be any heavier than this, maybe even a little bit lighter, but 17.5 pounds for a 110-inch span model I'm very happy with. That's about quarter throttle, near about half throttle. Lots of power left in reserve, so if I want to go over the top now, lots of rudder authority, nowhere near full rudder. I can stop it there, put it on power and go around again the other way. So vertical knife edge S isn't a problem with this aeroplane. Very, very happy with how much control authority it's got all round. So level off at height and show you its flat spin. This thing does love to flat spin. So popping it up here to the left. So now full rudder, full elevator and a little bit of opposite aileron. And we're in. Oh no, there we go. Nice thing about this is I can exit pretty much any time I want. So exit now. So, and some more 3D, show you some of the rolling maneuvers. One of my goals was to have a Timber that had very good roll authority. So with that all moving wing, I can come in even at slow speeds and pop it into a rolling carrier. Even at those slow speeds, I mean, it's not an extra, don't get me wrong, but it's not a cub either, so very high angle of attack, rolling Harrier circle, really not a problem with this aeroplane. And with that light wing loading, even exit into inverted Harriers, you see very little wing rock. I'm doing no work on the ailerons at all, I'm just creeping a little bit of elevator in there, tiny bit of wing rock there, but other than that it's superbly happy, both upright and inverted and upright. So no wing rock whatsoever. I'm doing nothing on the ailerons as it comes around, just a smidgen of rudder. You can see the ailerons, how little they're moving, gives you an indication of how happy that plane is. And then switch it now to the standard ailerons, no flaps, no aileron, the flaps moving as ailerons, little bit of flap, and just show you what it's like bumbling around. It's one of the things I'm really happy with the Timber, is how happy it is in all different flight envelopes, all different ends of the flight envelopes. Just cruising about quarter throttle now, half flaps, my takeoff flap setting, doing very little work. It's not flat calm today by any means, probably at 5-6 miles an hour. Just goes to show how happy it is. One thing I'm going to try, I haven't tried before, is landing in the cloud field. I don't know how well this will end, but if we go around, maybe show you its off-field, off-road capabilities. So I'm going to leave the takeoff flap in, I don't need full crow. Just going to try and fly it onto its mains into this recently cloud field behind our works here at Horizon. Happy as. Pretty sure I'll take off from there as well. Here we go. Oh, and just go to show, that's the roll rate with just ailerons. So yeah, not too sad even with the standard aileron setup.